All right. Take a look at this. Now, what I'm showing you right now is a live screenshot scroll of the kind of money that I make every day, every month, every week, every year for the past, I don't know, 12, 15 years, something like that. And this money comes in pretty much on autopilot. Again, I'm not a genius when it comes to technical computer skill things. I'm an ex-truck driver. I grew up before computers even existed. So my philosophy is if I can do this, pretty much anybody can do this. You just need to learn a few specific things. So what are those specific things? I want to get you on the path to making $1,000 a day. And to do that, I want to show you not how to make $1,000 a day. I want to show you exactly what I do. And I'm going to teach you exactly what I do and how I have done it. And I'm going to set you up in business. So with that in mind, let's take a look at this. We're going to go 3 levels deep into this, so pay attention if you really want to make money online, if you want to start making $1,000 a day. Now, what I'm showing you on the screen right now is a done-for-you product that I created. This is a course that will teach you how to instantly start making $1,000 a day on TikTok. It's an automated system. It's very simple and easy to do, and almost anybody can do it from anywhere in the world. And it's something that not a lot of other people know how to do. But this is not where the rubber meets the road. This is a white label course. Now, what do I mean by a white label course? That means you can grab this course. All you need to do is come here, click on this and download it, and you will have the ultimate rights to do whatever you want with this course. You can sell it, you can give it away, you can use it to build your social media, you can use it as a lead magnet to grow your email list that will make you more money on demand. It'll make you recurring income. You can put your name on it as the creator. You can do whatever you want with it. I do not limit you. I want you to use this in as many ways as you can to make money for yourself. But that's not all. That's just the tip of the iceberg. I also want to teach you how to use these type of materials to do exactly what I have done. Make the exact kind of money that I showed you in the beginning of this video. Now, maybe you'll make more than me, maybe you'll make less than me, maybe you'll make nothing at all. I don't know. Most of it depends on you. But I'm going to do 90% of the work for you, maybe even 95% of the work for you. And in a minute, I'm going to turn you on to something amazing that I've never done before. So let me show you this first. All right, this is what's doing. Now, you got to pay attention to this because this is where most people lose track of how to really make money online. Remember, when they strike gold in the hills, don't be one of the chuckleheads to go up the hill mining for gold. Be the guy at the bottom of the hill selling the picks and the shovels, and you will be the person that gets rich. So with that in mind, I want to teach you exactly what I do. And now this is all going to come together. So what I want you to do is go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and become a member. And when you become a member, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to this page that says new members start here. Now this video that you're looking at is going to teach you exactly step by step how I do what I do and how I make the kind of money that I make. And I make it by selling digital information. It's the biggest moneymaker on the planet. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry that anybody can do. Now, the thing that most people get caught up with is they cannot come up with the product that they can sell. Well, that's where I come in. So not only am I going to teach you how to do it, but I'm going to give you the products that you can sell as your own in your own membership website. Now, you're going to say, well, how do I do a membership website? I don't know what to do. This is the easy part. I'm going to show you how to set up your own membership website. And the great thing is, it's not going to cost you a penny out of pocket. You're going to be able to start the exact business that I run and makes me this kind of money with zero risk out of pocket. The only expense you're going to have is joining my website to get access to all of these materials that you can resell as your own. Now, when I say all of these materials, let me show you. Up here is the navigation. Now, this is a website that I've been running for 12 years now, something like that. So every year and every month of every year, I post content that teaches you and content that you can resell as your own. So if you come in here, it goes back to 2022. Every month, there's a ton of content. Here's 2023. Here's 2024, and this is what we're in right now, February of 2024. And as I showed you in February 2024, just as an example, I'm going to click on it right now. We'll go back to it. Just as an example, here is the tutorial course for the month. And this is an over-the-shoulder training where I show you guys how I set up affiliate campaigns that make me huge money. And then here is another done-for-you situation. These are done-for-you kid videos that you can repost on YouTube, TikTok, whatever, and monetize. And then here's the course I showed you earlier that is an ultra white label course that you can sell as your own product. Now, every month I give you an ultra white label course, at least one of them. So you can come in here and get an instant inventory of all of these courses that you can resell, and then just put them in your own membership website. Again, I'm going to teach you step by step how to do everything. It's going to be simple. It's going to be easy. It's going to be zero out-of-pocket risk for you. It's not going to cost you anything to set up these websites, and you can set up as many of them as you want. I also show you how to market your websites so that you can get a huge amount of traffic coming to your website. And this is going to create recurring passive income for you month after month. Now, one more time, I want to reiterate. You're not listening to some chucklehead that does not know what he's talking about. You're listening to somebody that has been doing this very, very successfully for at least the past 12 years. So when you go on to YouTube or TikTok or any other platform and somebody tries to tell you how to make money online, be sure they know what they're talking about and be sure they've done it for at least 10 years successfully before you give them any credibility. That's just my 2 cents. All right, so real quick, I just want to show you, this is the website you want to come to, thekinghumanelite.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to click here to get instant access. But wait, I'm not done. Not only are you going to get everything I showed you already, but you're going to get free personal one-on-one coaching from me, not my assistant, not a virtual assistant that doesn't know what they're talking about. You're going to be able to get free access, direct access to me for free. Nobody else does that without charging $2,000 and up. So I suggest you jump on it. But to make this absolutely a no-brainer, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to click on this. And as you can see, I charge $30 a month. Well, $29.95 a month. And it's a bargain at that price. But what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to type in this coupon code, YT Special 1. Put it right in there and then click apply. And what that's going to do is that is going to reduce the cost of this down to $8. $8. I mean, I've never done this before. I may never do it again. And you've also got a 14-day money back guarantee. So I don't know how much juicier I can make this. If you want to make money online, you jump on this. And if you want to make the kind of money that I make, you definitely jump on this. This discount is never going to be repeated, and it's only going to last 1 month. I've only got this discount code active for the next 30 days. So March 5th, this coupon code will expire. So I hope you understand that. This is going to get you $21.95 off of your initial month so that you can come in here for your first month and see if it's for you. If it is for you, you just continue your membership, and you'll be, after your first month, you'll be billed the regular $29.95. But you'll find that it is incredibly worth that amount of money. So what I'm doing here basically is I'm giving you a free peek behind the curtain so that you can see what's doing and you can understand the power of what I'm teaching and what I'm giving you. The done-for-you white label courses, the one-on-one coaching, the training on how to do exactly what I am doing. So many other internet gurus out there will teach you how to make money online, but they're not teaching what they themselves are doing. And that's where you really want to be careful. You want to do what they're doing to make money. And that's where I'm different. Okay, I'm done talking. I'm not trying to sell you on this. You do it or you don't do it. You see the value or you don't. All right, that's it. Maximum respect. All the best. Cheers.